incident where Karna actually, where Karna, I mean, Duryodhana and Bhimasena have a duel, and the great Mahabharata war is over, and we are having a scene where Duryodhana actually challenges one of the Pandavas to fight. So everyone except Duryodhana and the Pandavas are alive.
Here we are at the hermitage called Battle, the home of hostility and the touchstone of valor.
You speak truly. Oh, look at how frightful this battleground is.
Yes, look at the confused mass of javelins, arrows, spears, and armors mixed with a litter of every sort of weapons. Chariots are empty of their champions, and kings of earth have gone to heaven. So, is it the thunder in the clouds, or is the roaring of the sea breaking against the cliff?
Well, let us see. There, the duel of faces has begun between Duryodhana and Bhimasena.
Yes, look at the great warrior, Vidura, and Duryodhana has heard the dreadful mace, and Bhima has fallen like the king of mountain struck by a thunderbolt. With his cries, dismay, Krishna is gazing at the sky, and look, Duryodhana is walking the Yes, the sign has come out of Bhimasena. The son of Pandu rubs his palms upon his ground and roars with a furious rage and hits the Duryodhana on his thighs.
The emperor has fallen.
Slightly covering his eyes, Balrama looks very angry and shuts out the view.
Come on, let us
Bhima
enter
is led away by the startled Pandavas and Krishna supports his steps.
Come on, let us attend the emperor.
Very good session. Let us go.
O kings, this isn't fair. Unmindful of my presence, Bhima has seated Duryodhana. He has hauled his mace on Duryodhana's thighs. Duryodhana, leave on for a little while. I shall lift the Bhima's chest with my plow. Even in this situation, Duryodhana tries to follow me. He still looks majestic, although his body is covered with blood and is crawling like an infant.
Alas, here I am, with both thighs crushed by the mace of Bhima, who has violated the law of war, dragging my body with my arms, half extinct. Be merciful, O wielder of the plow. Be merciful. Today is the first time I lay my head at thy feet, myself at the ground. An end has come to the hostility of war and ourselves.
Duryodhana, leave on for a little while.
What will you do?
Look at the warriors slain in the war and are failing to heaven. I should offer them the bodies of sons of Pandu, furrowed by my plow.
No, say not so. Bhima has fulfilled his vow. Karna has gone to heaven. My 100 brothers slain in the battle, and myself in this position. What can war do now?
But he tricked you before me. That makes me angry.
You think he tricked me?
Yes, I have no doubt.
No, Balrama, no. Bhima had the wit to extricate himself from the house of Black all ablaze. It was he who vanquished Hidimba, the Lord of Giants. If you think that he has tricked me today, Balrama, he has not beaten me.
But having tricked you, is it fair that he's still alive?
It was in him.
Then what is the reason of your flight?
It was Hari, the darling of the world. It was his innate love of battle which entered into Bhima's mace and gave me over to death.
Out of the way! The king is coming! Out of the way!
The king is coming. My son, where are you? Where are you, my child? Where are you, my lord? Today, when I heard of my son shot down in the battlefield by a trick, my bright face was made still brighter by tears streaming in my eyes. Gandhari, are you still there? Still down to life. I'm happy that I am. Majesty, where are you?
Woe is me. Even my ladies are weeping. Up till now, I could hardly feel the pain of the blow. But now, having seen the tresses of my queens exposed to view, the pain is unbearable.
the champion of our house, Duryodhana?
Majesty, I do not see him.
What not see him? Am I cursed by the fate that I can't see my son at the time of his death? I am proud to have 100 sons who are wise and brave. Don't I deserve to have funeral by at least one of my sons?
Suryodhana, my child, answer me and his unhappy majesty, bereaved of 100 sons.
Oh, my son Duryodhana, champion of 18 sovereign divisions, where are you? Answer me. Come, greet me, my son.
A very fine sovereign today. My father, here I come. Alas, this is the second blow from Bhima. It has robbed me not only of my thighs, but also of salutation to the father's feet.
Here, my daughters, go seek out your husband.
Who is leading me, pulling my rope?
Hi, Grandpa. Durjaya.
Durjaya, go, look for your father, Durjaya.
I'm very tired now.
Go, Durjaya, go.
Oh no. What will he think of me when he sees me vanquished? Oh,
Here's the king, lying on the ground.
my boy, why have you come now?
You were away so long.
Even in this plight, I can feel so much love for my boy.
I'll sit on your lap.
No,
Why don't you let me sit on your lap?
Durjaya, from today onwards, sit anywhere except on my lap. Following my 100 brothers.
Take me with you.
Go talk to Bhima, my son.
Father, they all are looking for you.
Who?
Granny, Grandpa, and all the ladies.
Oh, my son, I cannot come.
I will take you.
You're too young, my son.
Ladies, the king is here.
Oh, my king, you are here. Alas, is it the king?
Suryodhana, my child, are you tired?
I am your ladyship's son, my mom.
Who is that?
Sacred king, which gave you 3 fearless sons.
Today, I feel like I'm truly born. Come, father. There is no need for anxiety now.
Why should I be anxious, my son?
Father, the king has fallen. Father, please, restrain your grief. It is me. Please, how do you console the queen?
Why should I console the queen, my son?
Why, father? Please tell her that your son has fallen in battle, facing an equal foe.
I'm an old man, blind from birth, with no desire for life.
Duryodhana has lost all his hope.
Can I ask your ladyship a favor?
Speak out, my son.
In another life, will you be my mother?
It's my own wish you have expressed.
Malali, my lord, your husband has suffered severe blows to the forehead. His arms are bruised. He has fallen in the battle, facing an equal foe. You're a warrior princess. You must not weep.
I am a girl, you are wife. What can I do other than weep?
Pauravi, my love. Performed several sacrifices in the scripture. Our dependents were never deceived by us. Remember me. How your husband fell in the battle bravely. You must not weep.
I made up my mind. Where shall I go? So I never weep.
My boy Durjaya, you must follow the Pandus like me. Follow Mother Kunti. Respect Draupadi. You must follow the sons of Pandu and give me the oblations, uttering my name. Respect your father.
Here comes Ashwadama. With his large clear eyes, long arms, he is like Mount Meru, city blade, with rainbow at his peak.
The Kuru king, ornament of the Kuru race, was strict when I was busy with funeral oblations to my father. Where is Gandhari's son? Here is the king of Kuru. He has crossed the ocean of war and lies amid a rampart of broken chariots and the corpses of men. Oh, Kuru king, what is this?
O son of my preceptor, this is the result of insatiable ambition.
O Kuru king, I am about to abandon the route of righteousness.
What are you to do?
Listen, I will wipe out with a network of shafts the sons of Pandu and Krishna in a gruesome manner.
No, say not so. The host of anointed kings lies in the lap of Mother Earth. Karna himself has gone to heaven. My brothers are lying dead in the battlefield. And look at me. Unstring thy bow, O preceptor son.
Pandava in the fight seized you by hair and cast his mace. He broke your spirit.
No, it was only pride that made me go into war. Look, preceptor son, how Draupadi was dragged into the gambling scene with her tassels grasped in my hand. How young Abhimanyu was slain in the battle. Look at the Pandavas, who under the pretext of gambling were sent to the forest with wild beasts. Make a note of this. Reflect on it. What they have done to break my spirits is very little.
I take an oath by everything, by your soul and by my soul and by the heaven of the brave. I will make a raid by tonight and destroy the Pandavas in the fight.
Coming from Ashwadama, I hope it will become true.
The worshipful Mama. Alas, there is a witness to these crooked words. Jaya, of a kingdom inherited through the valor of Daksha, a conqueror by the might of his arms.
My heart's desire is now fulfilled. My life is passing away. I can see Shantanu and the other ancestors coming for me. Oh Karna, look at my 100 brothers following him towards heaven. Abhimanyu on Indra's elephant is scolding me. Urvashi and the other looks have come for me. Death has brought a chariot led by 1,000 swans. For me, here I go. Oh my Lord, you have died. You have taken my heart with you. Oh my Lord.
We will depart for the penance grove, so rich in fire smoke, out of the kingdom that has lost its value by the death of my sons. Now do I depart, my bowman's hand uplifted for the sleepers. May the king destroy the enemies and protect the earth.
Excuse me, 1 second. Could you please repeat it once again?
I'm Srivatsa, one of the directors. Abhiteja, one of the directors. Rajshekhar Reddy as one of the soldiers.
Harith as one of the soldiers.
Madhas as one of the soldiers.
Harsha as one of the soldiers.
Ramcharan as Gandhari.
Ravikishore as Pauravi.
Rahul as Duryodhana.
Vijay Kumar as Balram.
Suhas as dead soldier.
Pradeep as Ashwadam.
Pavan as Durjaya.
Malavi. Kiran as Dhritarashtra.
Siddhartha as Arjuna. Aishwarya as Dharmaraj. Hemant as costume designer.
Sai Kiran costumes.
Ganesh as Nakula.
Gautam as dead soldier.
Chetan as dead soldier. Sharma as Padeva and a soldier. Arun as
Arun as item. Okay. Hold on. Please don't move. I didn't see these two directors in class, I think. Do you know? I was fractured. Now I have to think about a new fracture. I'm thinking of it. Anyway, your name, will you please tell me? Huh? Srivatsava. Can you tell me your number?
81.
2004
01081. And Ravi Teja?
67.
I never see any of my. I'm very sorry to say, this is not the way to present yourself in front of this kind of people who had given their complete 100% towards this kind of a course. And if you think this is the right way, we are not going to reach anywhere. I'm sorry to say. Number, please.
67.
6,
7.
7. Complete number.
2004 1067.
2004
01067.
010.
67.
Don't think that others are fools either. And what about you? What's your name? Rajshekar Reddy. Not the Chief Minister Rajshekar Reddy, right? How many classes you are there?
85% of the class.
Okay, fine. Okay. Anyone? Tirupati? Huh?
I attended every class.
Okay, you went to Tirupati. Adarsh? Mr. Costume Designer, Hemant, right? How many classes you are in? All the classes. After you. No, third one. No, after you.
All the class.
All the classes. What's your name?
Ganesh.
Ganesh. I met you once with your fractured hand.
Exactly.
Yes, I remember.
I was absent for 1 month for the fracture. And I have certificate.
Okay, sir. Okay.
For every class I
I understand. It's okay. Leave it. Okay, fine. One thing last, all of you, you can send your report on 21st. 21st will be the last day for you to send your reports. And when you are sending your report, you have to write the place name and group leader's name and your character's name. Okay? Whatever you have done in the play, whether you have done a character, that name should be there. Otherwise, in which department you are working in, it should be there. And a detailed experience note, not more than 1 page. Okay? And 3 group leaders, you can write a detailed report on your group. Don't think about anybody else, so I will take care of it. Okay, thank you very much.